there's two things I'm a sucker for, it is the 17-18 rookie class and shiny cards. And Essentials Basketball meets both of those needs. So we're going to open a bunch of rack packs. 15 cards in each pack. There's parallels, there's inserts. Essentials has it all. It has numbered cards. I can't guarantee we'll have all of that in the rack pack. Obviously the rack packs will have their own special things. Let's see. Also look for these randomly inserted cards. Base orange, emerald rookie, essential rookie, sorry, essential stars, essential legends. Alright. But as we know, the rookie class is strong here too, so even if we don't get those things, we may get a good rookie. Yeah, these cards look sweet. I mean, look at that. There's the Essential Legends, Oscar Robertson. And then Essential Stars, Embiid. Rookie, Jonathan Isaac. Harrison Barnes, Ginobili, Hollis Jefferson. Anthony Davis, another rookie, Royce O'Neal. There's Antetokounmpo. These are just great looking cards. Rookie Justin Patton. Rookie Anunoby. Now one thing I will say is that the cards in these packs are not quite as thick stock as what you get in the hobby box. So if that's important to you, it's something you should take note before you order any of these. Right. Essential Rookies, John Collins. Now this is the thick stock. These inserts are, the McGrady is, and this is the orange. I guess this is the orange parallel. It's hard to tell. But yeah, now that I'm looking at it, I was wondering why this card was a thicker stock. So it starts off with 2 inserts and the thick orange parallel, and then it gets to the thinner regular cards. So Harden, there's a Josh Jackson rookie. Tony Bradley rookie. Malik Monk rookie. And a Draymond Green with a dinged corner, unfortunately. These packs came in, they were ordered online, they came in kind of, looked like they had been mishandled a little bit. That was concerning. So Karl Malone, Essential Legends, and Klay Thompson, Essential Stars. The parallel is Buddy Hield. And we have Wes Iwundu rookie, Jonathan Isaac. There's a Kuzma, Ojale, there's Durant, Vince Carter, and LeBron. Looks like this, dang, this has a ding corner too. Dadgummit. Yeah, I thought these looked a little beat up. Dang. That's the one thing I hate about buying packs, either online or even in the store. You just don't know who picked them up and how they handled them. See, this one even has a little, that sucks bad. Osman, Kawhi Leonard parallel, Iwundu rookie, Isaac rookie, another Kuzma, Antetokounmpo, Justin Patton rookie, Anunoby, and Turner. I don't mind the little ding here or there, but it kind of burns sometimes when it's on some of the better cards. There's a Kyrie Irving, Essential Stars, Daniel Theis, Essential Rookies, and the orange is Harrison Barnes, Valanciunas, Iwundu, Thomas Bryant rookie, and that's it for that pack. Straighten these up, it's going to drive me crazy. This card's just hanging out everywhere. There we go. Nice and orderly, like my OCD likes. Alright, Malik Monk, Essential Rookies. Julius Irving, Essential Legends. Ginobili, Orange. Darren Collison, I don't know why that was turned backwards. I don't see anything special about it. Elfrid Payton, Harry Giles, rookie. Dwayne Bacon, rookie. Wes Iwundu, it's like the third one of those. And Jonathan Isaac, I think it was like the third one of those too. I'm gonna need a little variety in this rookies list here. Alright, Essential Stars, Andrew Wiggins. And John Collins, Essential Rookies. Gortat is the orange. There's a Dennis Smith Jr. rookie. Getting a little better there. Tyler Lydon. And Sindarius Thornwell. I'm also going to break some blaster boxes of this stuff too. TJ Leaf, Essential Rookies. Essential Stars, Dwight Howard, and an orange Jokic. Oh, they threw another insert back here. Essential Legends, Tim Duncan. Except yeah, that's a weird pack. And Grant Hill. And another orange, Wesley Matthews. So this was like a error pack in loading. Justin Jackson, Wilt Chamberlain, orange Noah Vonleh. And we have Justin Jackson, rookie. There's Harden, Josh Jackson, rookie. And Zach Collins, rookie. Zach Collins looks mad. He looks big mad. Look at that. I will kill you. Alright. Grant Hill. There's a LeBron, Essential Stars. And Kevin Love, orange. John Collins, rookie. A Josh Hart, rookie. There's Donovan Mitchell. Dirk. And Gasol. Alright. 2 more packs. We will call it a day. It's LeBron again, but this card looks a little beat up at the bottom. Josh Hart. Rajon Rondo is the orange. There's Tatum, finally. I was afraid I wasn't going to get one. Anthony Davis. Quinn Cook. Thomas Bryant. Iguodala. Oh wow. Guess these cards were returned to Target. Defective. Wow. Okay. So this pack has been opened. Wow. Okay. I want to see how defective it is. Are you freaking kidding me? Wow. So anything that was good in here has probably been removed. Although there's a De'Aaron Fox rookie. Orange Horford. It looks like the stuff that it was supposed to have is in there. But wow. Okay. Yeah, that's one of the reasons I shy away from buying packs, but I found some good pack deals lately, and it was hard to pass them up. But stuff like that, I mean, oh miss, that is just a little bit tough to ignore. Oy vey. Alright. Anyways, I still love essentials. Beware buying packs. I mean, like, look at this corner. Maybe that's why the person returned it. They're like, I'm not taking these beat up cards. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I guess it is what it is. Like I said, I didn't pay very much for these. You kind of get what you pay for, I guess. So, buyer beware. Everybody take care. Hope you're doing well. I'll be back with another break soon.